perfect opportunity to show you how to change a piston on a connecting rod. So pop up the clip. It flew somewhere.
That one flew somewhere. I got it.
Pop the other clip out. Back up.
That's my eye.
Yeah, I should turn on the light so I can see better. And we're gonna
tap this out.
So we got new wrist pins. So we're gonna hit it out. You should probably heat it up.
Probably. I'll heat it up coming in with new wrist pins.
Yeah.
This guy discard.
That's the wrist pin.
Orient.
Yep.
Paint.
It's marked.
It's marked. Hello, Mark.
There's a mark behind us.
And then piston.
All right.
Start heating that up.
So heat up the new piston. That's just gonna help the new wrist pin slide in. Comes with new clips. So this is all inside the kit. Put the clip on one side.
Come on.
Nervous,
Come on, baby. Yeah. I'm nervous.
There we go.
There goes one. That's that.
Now let it sit there to heat up.
Heat up.
And then the new wrist pin should just slide right in. I'll wait for that to heat up and I'll bring it back. Some lubrication.
This side is the ring.
Yeah. Slides in easy. See? Now we put the connecting rod in. Trick side? No, wrong side. And yeah, there you go. Slides right in. Put the new snap ring back in. And then
Bob's your uncle.
Now the new rings. Yeah. That is how simple it is to replace a piston on a connecting rod. He gets nervous. Don't worry, it's okay. It's just hands. Show your hands. Nobody's gonna. No, I got pistons.
Both.
He gets the fun job. I got the head. Yeah. These low tension piston rings? Nope.
No,
they are not. These are the thick ones. That is why your Civic engine lasts so much better, or so much longer.
So much longer. Gentle.
Yeah. Put that in.
Oh, I got that above.
Yeah.
I need it really.
Make sure the gap is on opposite sides.
Fluffed it.
Fluffed it.
Be moved down. But be very ginger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is why you get finger cramps all the time. Doing little things like this.
Tendinitis.
Yeah. So remember the video I said that his hands were all green? So he got diagnosed with tendinitis.
Yeah, here's the gap.
2 doctors later.
Yeah, 2 doctors later.
First one couldn't figure out what it was.
Said it was normal.
Said it was normal, yeah. But it was like what? Poor blood circulation and all that kind of stuff?
He had nerve damage and
damage.
Sports and things like that prior to this. Okay, that's... Make sure they're in there all smooth. This one's actually sticking out. Might have to redo this. Oh, there it is. Perfect. And then you find your gap.
Find your gaps.
Where'd you go?
Where'd it go? It's so thin you can't see.
No. Oh, there it is. And then you 45 it. Numbers 2A.
2A.
You need
the
my,
bottom one?
my oil can?
Oh, yeah, I would eventually, yeah.
I should just be a camera guy. I don't have to work anymore.
Yeah, no doubt. Let's get some
One
fun
piston.
jobs.
That's one piston ring
Turn that.
and the top piston ring.
And look for the writing.
Yeah, there's writings on the piston rings to tell you which one it goes. 1A.
Slide it around. There you have it.
And there you go. That's it.